Hi, welcome to our channel, 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser's new form has not dented its appeal. Its standard full-time four-wheel drive and many standard off-road features make it ready to tackle an overlanding adventure right off the lot. Its hybrid powertrain returns good MPG too. Drawbacks include a lack of interior cargo and rear passenger space. But as a heritage-themed and generally cool SUV, the latest Land Cruiser fully delivers. Pros: 1 smooth ride and comfortable seats, 2 respectable off-road capability, 3 hybrid powertrain returns good MPG, 4 distinctive heritage-themed styling. Cons: 1 cargo area is small and has a high load floor, 2 long braking distances during panic stops, 3 handling can be a bit ponderous around corners. What's new? 1 all-new Land Cruiser for 2024, 2 smaller and less expensive than the last generation, 3 standard 4WD hybrid powertrain good for 326 GP. 4. 2024 model kicks off the 7th Land Cruiser generation. Overview. Arnold Schwarzenegger's Terminator character is known for its "I'll be back" quip, but you can imagine the Toyota Land Cruiser uttering the same thing after Toyota discontinued it after the 2021 model year. Now the Land Cruiser is crashing through the proverbial police station window for 2024, reborn to be smaller, more agile off-road, and less expensive than it was before. The new 2024 Land Cruiser is related to the similarly new Lexus GX. This mid-size SUV seats 5 passengers and takes its place between the 4Runner and bigger 3-row Sequoia within Toyota's lineup of truck-based SUVs. Oh, and there's no longer a V8 under the hood. Spotlight: will we miss the V8? The V8 is gone, and in its place is a turbocharged 2.4-litre 4-cylinder engine with a hybrid system. The new powertrain makes 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. And while a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine isn't naturally a great fit for a big SUV like the Land Cruiser, it works here. The hybrid system's electric motor complements the engine by providing immediate torque right from a stop, making the entire powertrain feel responsive, even low down in the rev range. It's also much more refined while vastly improving fuel economy, going from the prior version's EPA estimated 14 mpg in combined driving all the way up to 23 mpg. Competitors to consider. The Toyota Land Cruiser's closest competitors might be other Toyotas. There's the redesigned 2025 Toyota 4Runner, which is similar in size but less expensive, or the larger 3-row Toyota Sequoia. The Lexus GX, which is a more luxe version of the Land Cruiser, is also worth a look. You may also consider a couple of Land Rovers, the stylish Range Rover Vela or the off-road oriented Defender. Check out our test team's full expert rating for more information on the new Land Cruiser. Price range from $55,950 to $74,950. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.